The meaning of the word genuine is something that is real or true without any falseness or deception. For example, a genuine smile means that it is real and sincere, not fake or forced. Here is my fake smile, but here is my genuine smile. For the pronunciation, the word genuine has 3 syllables. The word stress is on the first syllable, gen. So it is pronounced genuine. The first syllable, gen, is pronounced with a soft G sound, like the J sound in jeans. The second syllable, it sounds like a long U. In this case, we can spell it as you. The last syllable sounds like in. The final E is silent. Be careful not to say genuine. We want to say genuine. Can you say it? Genuine. Here's a sentence you can practice. This watch is a genuine Rolex. That's it for today's pronunciation lesson. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. I really appreciate it. See you next time.